I find why I give you all you need. I know what you like.
It's giving straight out the scalp. It's giving body. It's giving fresh silk press.
I see you, I see you. All these girls in the club, I got my eyes on you.
Hey you guys, welcome back to KBTV. So today's video is going to be a hair video. I have not uploaded any long form hair content, so today we are doing just that. I have this Vpart wig from this company from Alibaba. I asked them to make me a Vpart wig and this is what they sent me. Here's the wig. I don't know why it has like this mesh right here. I'm gonna cut that out, but the hair quality feels really good. I did have to dye this hair jet black to match my hair because my hair is black. So here's the construction of the wig. It has 5 clips. It has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and it did come with an adjustable strap. So I'm pretty excited about that. So now we are just going to take my hair down and do a quick braid out. So I'm just going to show you guys what my natural hair looks like. It's really thick. I don't know what to do with it. I got some heat damage going on in the leave out area because I've been wearing like Vpart wigs a lot. So we're just gonna braid this down. Also, I did want to mention that the wig came with a few goodies, and it came with wig caps. Also came with these 1990s earrings. I'm not gonna wear these, I don't really like them. And then here's another pack of the earrings. So let's get straight into this braid down. Okay, I am not a professional hair braider, so this is just how I braid my hair down. I like to first like match how much hair I want to leave out. So I am looking sideways because I have a vanity mirror right here. So I'll try to turn so you guys can like see what I'm doing, but so I got some scissors right here, and I'm just gonna cut out this lace. Like, I don't know why they put lace right here. Yeah, I don't know why they put the lace. Like, what was y'all trying to make? Because I ain't never got no Vpart wig that had lace. And it's not even black lace, but now the company is supposed to send me these wigs over because they told me that it was a Vpart wig, but it was not a Vpart wig. This looks like more like a U to me. So but then, I don't know, like, look, would you guys think this is a V-part or a U-part?
I find why I give you all you need. I know what you like. I feel it for me. Tell me something, yes, I try to need you. But I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live what I got. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body.
Alright, so this is how I do my braid pattern. You are free to braid your hair however you like, but this is just how I braid mine. Say your body Alright, we almost done braiding. Yeah, I'm tired. Do a braid, y'all. Okay, so we are done with the braiding. I'm just gonna put some oil in my braids and then we're gonna put the wig on. So I usually just like put a bobby pin and just pin that up like that. Hopefully I got the right angle so you guys can see. I put my wigs on weird. Okay. Now here is the tricky part. Let's see if this all lines together. All right, so ooh, the clips are really sturdy. So let's put one clip, 2 clips, 3 clips, 4 and 5. Okay, now I am going to go back and cut the white part off because I don't know why they put that on in the first place. So I'm just gonna take this. This is fitting really good on my head. It's not too big, which is great. So this is a 16-inch. Let's part my hair down the middle. So I'm just gonna part that down the middle. I feel like I left a little bit too much hair out. This was not all the way a Vpart wig, so I had to work with it. Okay. Like, this hair look like it's going right on my scalp. It's giving fresh blowout. What do you guys think? All right. So I have my She Is Bomb wax stick. So I'm just gonna use this and this pressing comb. I'm gonna plug it up. And then I'm gonna use my $2 Vanessa Pro flat irons I got from this store called City Mall, which is like this huge store that carries like Amazon open box items, and you don't know what's in the boxes until you have like an employee open it. But I got these for $2. They go up to $4.50 and they get really hot and they straighten really well. And for $2, like what? Okay.
Intellectual murder people edition. Kakam fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, he got fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang pussy run up with your
So the hair is straightened out. So now we're just going to should I give this a trim? Now we're just gonna
You must be sick. And a 17, I drop in a this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick. It's me. Coming up kill two of them up in a this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Why do I tell them get the plank down? Every guns up, every killer mass up. Mass have a pandemic, no does a clot. Does a man not dead the way I feel my lips. No, so you must mad, my killer them no work so. Long as my job food too well swag. And now I be gun for anything.
Okay, you guys, so here's the final look. I am impressed. This hair is so soft. It looks like my natural hair, so I think I'm just gonna transition into Kinky Straight Vpart wigs because I don't have to put that much heat on my head. Even though I feel like I did, I feel like I should invest in a heat protectant, but it's giving straight out the scalp. It's giving body. It's giving fresh silk press. I just want to say shout out to all the girls who record hair videos. Y'all the real MVPs. That took so long. It was a lot of steps to record, but I got it done. Hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one.